Okay, after this I will show you how we can create the GUI and add the code and all those things. But what if we need to create a dialog and then communicate with the user with the dialog? So I'm going to show you how to do that. So for this step, let me close that. Come here. First of all, I will go to the menu to add. So click on that, edit menu bar, and I'm gonna add some menu here. So first of all, I want to add, assume the edit menu, and then I want it to be top level, and like here, so it's gonna be its name is gonna be edit menu. And for the ID, I can come here and search for edit. So yeah, I have this edit here, so I can copy that and use it here. So, and then I'm gonna add another one, and want to be second level, and the name is just peak color, and the event handler is on peak color. So every time I click on that menu, it's gonna look for this function and run that function. The attribute, the name of that peak color menu, and help, so just peak color like that. And for ID, because we don't have the color IDs, like that, so we use this one because there's no predefined ID for that. We use this for this one. So click OK. So let's see. Refresh preview. So yeah, we have it here, and we have the peak color there. So anytime I click on that peak color, it will look for the on peak color function and we run that. So it's gonna be like what else. So let me save it, open it. So here, so we have the menu, and yeah, so we have on peak color here is added. So anytime I on that menu I click on the peak color, it will run this function. But now I want to add a dialog that actually pick a color. I'm gonna do this very simple one. So here I come here, click on that, I create a dialog. So create a dialog box for me. So the name of the dialog, I will call it peak. Sorry, no, not here. The name is here, peak color dialog. So this is named. So for the title, I just peak color. So it's gonna be its title. So I have this here, and for here I'm gonna add just combo box, a drop down menu here. So for the layout, I won't have 5 there. So, so that's okay. So then for the name of that, I will make it peak color combo box. So it's its name, and then I will add here. So again, sometimes I have to just change it so you can see that here. So assume I have a red, blue, and green. Apply, and I want it to have the first one chosen. So if I say we come here, refresh, so I have this one. So red, blue, green. So now if I export again, it rewrite the previous one. Remember that, so I open it. So here now I have pcolor dialog is there, and I can use it. So now if I run the code, and if I go and edit and pcolor, so nothing happened, because as I said, anytime I click on that, it looks for this function on pcolor, and there's nothing there, so it doesn't do anything. So let me comment this and show you how we can add. So if I come here, let me paste this here. So here what I have, I said that okay, that's the pcolor dialog, so open that pcolor as my dialog, and if it's okay, so there's a pcolor combo box, get the value from that and put it as a color name and then print it. If it's not okay, just return without doing anything. So let me save it and run it, see how it works. So I come here, pcolor, and see if it's coming up, and assume I want to blue, okay, and it print blue here for me, and then I can exit. If I come here again, pick a color, and I press cancel, so nothing happened, as you can see. So this is one way that we can use it. So probably most of the time we can use it that way. Other way that we can use it, I just show you here. We can save the dialog name, open the dialog, save the dialog, and then after the dialog close, this variable is still available to us, and then we can do whatever we want here. So probably here. So because let me get that. So we open the dialog, we store the dialog in whatever we want, and then we close it. After we close it, this dialog instance is still available to us, so we can do whatever we want. Still down here and work with that. This is also work the same way with similar to that. If there are too many things we want to do, probably this way is easier. If there are just few things we want to do, probably this way is easier. But so as you can see, this is how we can create a dialog, and then they call the dialog, and then get the value of the dialog and do whatever we want with the whatever value the user input in that dialog.